Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI 40 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we start with opening Google Chrome application. In it, we press three dots on the right corner and there settings, where we have our password manager selection, and there when we press this gear icon we can turn on or turn off some function, or we can manage our password with our smartphone. Remember, in this case to our Facebook Messenger Google account. To do that, we press on it. Now we must add our pattern on PIN to manage it, because I don't have it. We did it fastly. And after that we must enter connect PIN, and there we can manage our Google passwords. In this case we can custom our password by edit, and there we can custom username, custom our password by tap there and write something, or we can add note to our passwords. We can save it, and we can also delete password with our smartphone. Remember, by delete, and confirm by delete passwords again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.